Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video I want to answer a question I get all the time. What is the difference between block and wood homes? Like, what does that actually mean? And I want this to be a simple one. There's other videos on our page where I go into really long, in-depth explanations. I want this to be short and sweet so you get the point. The simple difference is block homes, or you might hear them called cinder block homes, are built with literally those 8-inch by 16-inch cinder blocks that have the two holes in the top of them. You know what I'm talking about. There's probably one propping someone's door open that you know, right? Those are literally built, they are stacked up and staggered to create the walls of the house. The roof is still made out of wood trusses typically. In a wood home, instead of doing that, you have your slab, your foundation, right? Then on top of that, you literally build walls that have studs in them out of literally either 2x4s or 2x6s or 2x8s. That just means you build out of wood this thick or this thick or this thick. And then you stand those walls up, and then same thing, you build the roof on top of that. To put it very simply, that is the major difference between block and wood frame. Like I said, there's other videos where I go into in-depth of what's inside the walls, how do you insulate them, how do you finish the outside, how do you finish the inside. That's all in other videos, and we can link to those. Definitely go check those out if you want more detail, but that is a simple explanation of a block house versus a wood house. If this brought you some value, please hit the subscribe button. It does help me out a lot. We get to reach more people, do more projects, learn more, and then make more videos helping share that information with you. So see you in the next vid. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your attention. Peace.